calculate the concentration, the first one, concentration of solution B in mole per dm cube. To do that, we need to find the gram we have here. So what I'm doing here is, we know that 250 cm cube of sodium hydroxide contain 2 grams. Then 1000 cm cube of sodium hydroxide will be equal to 250 times 1000 over 1. That will give us 4. 4 times 2 times 4 will give us 8 grams. That's 8 grams. Now, but that's not the end of it. What we're going to do now is to calculate the concentration, because since we're calculating the concentration in mole per dm cube. Concentration in mole per dm cube will then be molar mass of sodium hydroxide is 40. It's equal to 40. Then the grams in dm cube would then be 8 grams over what? 40. That will give us 0.8 mole per dm cube. 0.2 mole per dm cube. That is what we have as a molar concentration. Concentration in mole per dm cube of sodium hydroxide. Now this one is done. Now we'll go over to this next question. Take the concentration of A in mole per dm cube. Concentration of A in mole per dm cube. What we do here, since we have the concentration of B is equal to 0.5. Now we'll go back to chemical equation. The chemical equation is this is the balanced chemical equation. Here will be 2. It means that means the mole ratio, the mole relationship is 1:2. Then we use our relation where the concentration we're looking for is Ca. Then the volume of the acid is 23. From here we have 23, and the concentration of C base, the B, is what? 0. In mole per dm cube, 0.2 times volume. The volume is 25 cm cube, and the ratio A is what? 1, B is what? 2. So when we cross over, we will have ACA will then be 0.2 times 25 all over. Now, because this will multiply that, 2 multiply 23 will give us 46. So at the end of the calculation, we'll have a dm cube. So that's what we have as our answer: 0.109 mole per dm cube. Now the next question said we should calculate the number of hydrogen ion in 1 dm cube of solution A. So number of ions in 1 dm cube of solution A. What we do here is we go back to another chemical equation, ionization equation this time. When tetraoxosulphate acid ionizes, if it ionizes, it will give us 2 moles of hydrogen ion and then 1 mole of tetraoxosulphate ion. So this means 1 mole of this will give us 2 mole of that. Now in the this thing we have, we were able to find out that the mole concentration of the acid, the A, is equal to 0.109. So since it's so, it means that 0.109 will give us 2 times 109. That will give us 0.22 mole per dm cube. Thank you so much for being part of the class. Thank you so much for being part of the class. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. In our subscription, your subscription is very, very important to us because it's a way of encouraging us to do more. And if you have any question to ask, you can also leave it as a comment, share, and like, let people know about us. Thank you so much.